Hey guys, just doing a quick video here to show you guys one of our OneTouch with Qnex rooms. And so what this is these are audio-visual classrooms, can scale all the way to auditoriums and all the way down to the small conference room, but we use the same core components. So we have OneTouch, which is the software that runs on the computer and the house computer. So this can work in any AV environment, including Crestron and Qnex and others. If you seem to have a disconnect between how your house computer works or the main computer that's in your room, well, that's because all these apps need to be kind of utilize some of the AV components. And what we actually do is we have workflows on the Windows computer on this OneTouch software that make Zoom and all these other video apps do automatic things, kind of do their own workflows, just makes it easier for the teacher. It also incorporates true AI into the systems, which I won't talk about now. Now for the control part of what we've got going on here, we also have tied into the Android systems of Qnex. It's very simple. We can pick our OneTouch PC. We can pick our sharing device, which are our wireless sharing devices, which means you can either do it via software or you can also share via the clickers here. And then we also have the ability to bring in one more input. And on the side rooms here for these divisible rooms, they pick that third input to be the inside classroom, and that bridges all the classrooms together. So these rooms do everything. They do it at about 30 to 40% less, with about 30% less cost in any maintenance contracts, and just super easy for the IT staff here to support this and control it, control everything remotely from their desk or home, and then even customization. Instead of having an AV technician come in, we can literally go right in, if you have the authentication to do this, and I can literally customize the software interface, and I can scroll through different things I want to pick out. So we have truly made this extremely simple. It's all interconnected. It's all interconnected online for support. And so well, let us know if you have any questions. We'd love to show you a demonstration of our OneTouch rooms, and we sure appreciate your time. Thanks.